Live with Jack and John. We do this every single day, Monday through Thursday. We share love, we share insight, we give away products, we try to put a smile on your face, and we invite you to invite people so we can share that same stuff with them as well. Human beings, there you go. So we're here to remind you, especially right now, we're here to remind you how lucky we are to be alive and with each other and just to really celebrate life and everything that life has to offer.
Thanks, John.
Yeah. What do you think, Jack? Why are we here?
Why are we here? Jeez, I know I ask myself that question every day. Because you have to, right? You have to ask yourself why you're here.
Of course.
Right? And then you got to search out the reasons why, and that's the fun of it. It's the trail that you're going down to figure out your whys and everything in life.
That's right. I think, who was it? Mr. John Maxwell said it best. The two most important days of your life are the day that you're born and the day that you figure out why. And I agree with Mr. Maxwell. So, all right, guys.
Yes, sir.
We have a challenge each and every single day in this broadcast, but guess what? This is a very special broadcast today because we're going to be announcing a couple things. We're giving away $1,200 in cash at the end of this broadcast. And a couple other things that we're going to kind of let you in on. Tomorrow's a very huge day, so get your pencils out, your notepads, and share this broadcast later because people are going to want to know what starts tomorrow.
So hey guys, as you just saw, TLC is the freaking bomb-ass company, y'all. Bomb-ass business with bomb-ass products. It's like they are always doing something to make this industry super better and to be a part of. First of all, give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you know every time I upload a new video, y'all. So listen, TLC Total Life Changes is giving away $1,200 every single freaking day. Why? Because they're awesome, they're amazing, and plus they want to come up with their own stimulus check, if you will. So of course it is for life changers only. So you need to get started as a life changer because once you become a life changer, we're doing something what you call it's called G5. The G5 challenge is when you get started with TLC and you introduce these products you see behind me. It can be the NutriBurst, the tea, to 5 new people. You introduce these products to 5 new people. You will be considered G5. You will get a bonus as far as money. You'll get a pin, a certificate, all these little great gadgets because you introduce these products to 5 new people. And because you got G5, you will be entered into a drawing to win $1,200. They just gave away $1,200 today. They just said, you know what? Comment down below why, $1,200 would be good for you. That's what they said on their Facebook page. But I want you to also comment down below here on this video why you feel you deserve to get $1,200, y'all. I'm curious and I want to know because this time is really scarce, really crazy. Apparently we're on another 30-day lockdown, so we don't know what's going on, how long this is going to proceed, but now is not the time to wait for handouts. Now is not the time to wait for you to be told what to do and when to do it. You need to take action now. This is your life, y'all. You only get one. So it's really important that you start thinking of other ways to be creative and make money from home. Why not do it here with TLC, guys? We get paid every single day, which is bomb. We get paid every single week and every single month. Once you get in, you'll understand how to get paid every single month, y'all. But right now, people got bills they want to pay now. People got phone bills. They got food they got to get. They got kids they got to feed. You know what I mean? And you need money today, right now. So when you get started with TLC, you can activate your daily pay and you will start getting paid every single day, y'all. I mean, it just doesn't get better than that. I don't know how else to stress it because a lot of people are still walking on fear. Why are you guys still married to fear? Like, you cannot achieve nothing sitting in your comfort zone. Like, seriously, especially with all this going on. I understand we're in scarce times. People aren't working, so they can't make money. This is where you can make some really good money with TLC. So if you have money you've been saving, you need to spend it because it's not going to go nowhere saving sitting under your mattress. You need to invest your money to make money. I don't care what you do, where you go, you have to invest money to make money. Think about when you got started with your job. You had to invest money in your gas, you had to invest money in your suit and tie or your interview clothes. You had to invest money in your uniform. So you still invested money without even thinking about it. You know what I mean? So it's the same thing with a business. You have to invest money to make money. In this business, all you are investing is pretty much like $100. $50 for your starter kit and 1 product or 2 products. I recommend you come in on the CBD tea and the NutriBurst. Because one, when you did detox, it's everybody home, eating, going out the refrigerator. And two, you need to keep your immune system built with that multi-liquid vitamin, y'all. So this is literally a no-brainer. There's nothing to think about. There's nothing to go over. It's just get started. It is just get started. And trust me, you don't know, by you saying yes, you don't know who that will help, because you get started in the business. You follow the training, you follow the steps, and you go ahead and call people. Call your mother, your sister, your friend. What's the point of having friends if you can't make money with them? Call your friends up. Listen, were you affected at your job by this crisis, or do you want to get help, or do you want to just make some extra money, girl? Like, come on, let's get this money together. TLC is booming and is rocking, and I feel we can make a lot of money here with TLC, and you can, y'all. Like I said, I've made well over $6,000 in retail. The first way we get paid. Like I said, you can do this any way you want. You can do it online or offline. Most of my money came from offline, because I see people in the streets like, hey, you know what? I got this detox tea. It helped me lose 5 pounds in 5 days. What's good? You trying to lose weight? You trying to get healthy? Oh yeah, I need some of that. Okay, here you go. Here's a week supply. Oh no, they don't want a week supply. You want the bag? Here's the bag. I got NutriBurst. You need the NutriBurst. You can't detox all the bad and the good out without putting good back in. Here's the NutriBurst, y'all. You got to know how to, get creative with it. And with TLC, you can get creative with it. Now, you can't really be around so many people because it's social distancing. You know what I mean? Which I still believe is mind-blowing. But you have a link. You have Instagram. You have Facebook. You can do this business tons of ways. You have YouTube. Start your YouTube channel. Everybody's home anyway. What better time than to do it than now, okay? So, and now it's just like, yo, I can't wait to April, because TLC, they just said they have a lot of great things in store for all their reps, all their life changes here with TLC. And if you ain't a life changer, you're gonna miss out. You are truly going to miss out, y'all. So I really want to put you guys on to something that is booming, while everybody is sad, depressed, watching the news, and everybody dying and this and that. TLC is making it like a whole little nice energy community, a vibe. Like, it's truly a vibe here with TLC. And if you're not a part of it, I don't know what you're doing. Even if you ain't trying to make no money, that's fine. You don't want to make no money, become a customer. Go click the link down below and get you some products, so you can say you are part of the TLC family. So when you tune into Live with Jack and John, you can share your testimony, share your experience. You could even win some money. You could even win a free product. It never fails with TLC, okay? So just get involved with the community, you know what I mean? You see the live, you see the comments, everybody commenting, and it's just so heartwarming, because they know what's going on, so they trying their best to keep their reps and everyone a part of TLC up and uplifted and happy, you know what I mean? So he's giving away money, they're giving away free products. They got some stuff coming up for April that is going to benefit a whole lot of us. We don't know what it is yet, but they be giving little tweaks and little hints every now and then. But listen, TLC is truly the place to be. And I'm not just saying that because I'm here in it and I'm making money in it. I'm an average girl, from born and raised in the Bronx, New York. Lived here all my life. Grew up in the foster care system. Lost my mom when I was like 11 years old. I only have one living parent. You know what I mean? Been through a lot. And I'm still here standing through the grace of God. That's why I want you guys to take a moment and think about, out of all the situations you've been through that you thought you would never get out of, God has you here today. God has brought you through that. And I'm forever grateful for that. And I always got to take a moment and just be like, I've been through worse situations. I've been through bad situations where I thought, how the heck am I going to get out of this one? But I got out of it through the grace of God, y'all. So if you are stuck in a situation right now where you don't know what's going to happen, you don't know how you're going to solve it, how you're going to get out, just take a breather and think back to what other situations you were in worse that God brought you through. And just know He will bring you through this one. So when there's always an opposition, there's always an opportunity, y'all. Don't let this opportunity pass you by and you turn back and be like, damn, I should have got started. I should have, could have, would have. Don't be that person. Trust in you. Believe. Come into this thing believing you are already successful. You are already going to make it. I don't want nobody on my team thinking lack, talking about, oh, what if I don't get a sale, and what if I don't do that? What if that's not welcome on my team? I'm sorry, because we are high energy people. This company is high energy, and we need everybody to think positive. Positive thinking that they're gonna prosper, they're gonna succeed. So if you are a downer, a lacker, thinking all kind of negative thoughts that you don't even believe in yourself, don't even click no links below. Just pass this video, okay? But if you are somebody who you know what? I'm smart. I think I deserve to give this a try. This may be my sign. I've been looking for this. I know I need to make money every day. I know I gotta support me and my family. I need to give it a shot and put my all into it. Then I want to work with you. I want you to click the link down below, send me a message, and let's go. But you gotta be serious. You gotta be, you know what I mean? This is why I try to make my videos kind of self-explanatory. So when you guys message me, it's not about, oh, well, how much this costs, or oh, what if I don't do that? No, I don't want that. You need to come in this game knowing that you are ready to get started. And it's not hard. This is the easiest business you will ever do. If you could post and share and, you know, talk to people, you can definitely do this. All you got to do is follow the steps, y'all. So like I said, it is $50 to get started. That's going to get you your standard starter kit. That's going to be mailed to your home. You're going to have physical on-hand product that you can sample out, okay? And then you're gonna get your website. Your website is up and running and ready to go. So that's your retail website. So once you get started today, that website is ready right now. So you can sign up right now and then send your website to 5 people and they buy a product. That's $100 you just made before your starter kit even came in the mail, okay? So this is really, really lucrative, y'all. So like I said, this month I want to help over 50 people. My goal is to help 50 people get started this month. And if 50 people get started this week, may God be the glory, because I know this company is just dope and it's really going to help you. You know what I mean? So I want to help 50 people get started with me in business this month. And if I exceed that, then that just shows me that, listen, I'm about to have me a winning team. You know what I mean? But the end of 2020. Because I know 2020 started off kind of rough with the deaths we had and all this stuff. But it don't have to end that way. Don't let this epidemic, this coronavirus, keep you stuck in fear. You need to get out of that fear if you want to be successful and succeed. See what's behind me right here? This has helped me step out my comfort zone. Help me step out of being fear. You know what I mean? Because being an entrepreneur is more than just, you know, making money and selling products and services. It is more of a personal development thing. That's how I'm starting to challenge with my group. We're gonna go together. We're gonna be reading books, book audios. You know, we talk, we communicate, just keeping positive energy. And personal development is really important. So when you come into this game, just know, like, what do I want to become? How do I see myself in the future? You know what I mean? It's about growing. You cannot stay the same being an entrepreneur coming into this business. It's about growing and elevating so you can help other people grow and elevate. You know what I mean? So this is why I say I want to work with serious people who are serious about truly changing their lives while helping other people do the same thing. That's what it's all about, helping the next person. If you don't want to help the next person, if you ain't got it in your heart to help the next person, then this ain't for you, okay? So get started with TLC. I mean, the momentum is still freaking high. We are breaking records, and this is truly the place you want to be. Especially now, if you keep watching the news and looking at all the sad stuff going around. No, you need to get out of that and come over here with TLC where the vibes are popping, the energy is flowing, and it's just awesome, y'all. Seriously. So while we home for the next 30 days, come lock arms with me. If I'm doing a challenge, me and my team are doing a challenge, who can lose the most weight. If you want to be in this challenge, send me a DM. All you have to do is get your CBD tea or the regular tea, your NutriBurst, and your NRG, the Freedom Kit. Pretty much get you the Freedom Kit if you want to be in this challenge, y'all, and let's have some fun. We're gonna be home, and let's do it. You know what I mean? I'm up for the challenge. I don't know about y'all, but I just want to get on here and just hope you guys are safe. Hope you guys are, level-headed, because I know how easy it is to get distracted and down with all this stuff. I can't do that. I got my NutriBurst and I got my NRG to keep my vibes up, okay? And TLC's keeping my vibes up. So let's work, y'all. Let's get started. It's time to stop playing games and really take our life seriously, because at the end of the day, we only get one. We only get one shot to make this thing right. What are you doing during this quarantine to make it right or to be different? So holla at your girl. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell button so you know every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys at the top, because the bottom is just way too crowded.